Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Games from Scratch, and today we were talking about Nakama from Heroic Labs. Now, I think I talked about this once in the past. I didn't go into a lot of depth for it, but what this is an open source networking server, basically. So you don't even have to buy anything. You can basically download this, use this on your own end, and you can use it to provide the back-end stuff that games need, things like leaderboards and so on. We'll get back to the details of what their servers provide in just a minute, but one of the big reasons we're talking about them today is some of the relationships they develop. They are a game server that is open source, and what they do is they support game engines that are open source. So they became a platinum sponsor of the Godot game engine back in October the 2nd of 2019. That meant, at least at the time, a pledge of at least $1,500 a month towards the development. So that definitely helped Godot going forward. So that was back in October of 2019. Now we have another partnership. So Heroic Labs is partnered with the Defold Foundation to further open source game development. Now you may remember the Defold engine was open sourced-ish. I say we're gonna go with source available about a week back, maybe slightly longer. And basically, I've been a fan of the full game engine for quite a while. And with going open source, they got some initial funding to start with from King, but that foundation definitely needs some additional support. So it's nice to see here that Nakama is one of those people. So Heroic Labs has joined the Defold Foundation as the first corporate partner in order to support and expand open source tools within the game development community. So definitely nice to see here. Partnership with the Defold has enabled us to join forces to create an open source client library that integrates Nakama and Defold tightly together to enable developers to take advantage of the full range of client APIs found within Nakama, including things like authentication, matchmaking, leaderboards, multiplayer, real-time chat, and more. So a bit of a spoiler alert, that is the things that Nakama does. So it's most of the stuff that you need on your server, on your back end. At Heroic Labs, we are firm believers in open source tools and software being the future of game development, studying increasing the popularity of gaming, specifically online and social play. Developers need access to tools that enable them to move quickly and provide the most engaging experience to their players regardless of platform without service lock-in. So there you go, part of this partnership. Find that the Defold engine and the related Nakama client library open source on GitHub, so they are both available. We appreciate any and all feedback, blah, blah, blah. So they are now supporting not only the Godot game engine, but also the Defold game engine. So it's nice to see them working towards making the open source ecosystem work well. If you are interested, they are in fact up on GitHub. So you can see here Heroic Labs. Nakama itself is available here. This is the server itself with features such as users, so you can register, log in, and so on. Storage, so you can store stuff, user details, etc., in their cloud or in their network. Social stuff, chatting, multiplayer, leaderboards, tournaments, runtime code, extend with custom logic written in Lua or Go to extend what Nakama can do. Matchmaker, dashboard, metrics, and more. So basically, everything that that you need for a game backend is provided in Nakama in an open source format. Now, if you're wondering, okay, well, how do they pay the bills? That's an interesting question. So here we are back here. Nakama is available right here. As mentioned earlier, it is an open source project. But if you are using it for super games, for example, there is an enterprise version as well. This has things like mesh networking and so on. So there's a slightly more upgraded version out there for enterprise level customers. Again, most of the features you're going to want are going to be in the base version. So if you want, you can get Nakama, you can host it on your own servers or your own Amazon cloud or whatever, and you are good to go. But if that isn't really your thing, you can go here, Heroic Cloud, and then you can basically handle, all the technology they use. They can run that on the back end, and you don't have to worry about networking. And if that's the thing you want to do, you can come in here, you can find out a little bit of the pricing. It's not the cheapest thing in the world, but frankly, this stuff really isn't. So if you want to host it on their servers, they have different tiers available here, and they just take care of the stuff for you. So again, you can use Nakama. You can deal with it all yourself right here. Or the other path you could basically go is set it up yourself, and if your game becomes a hit enough that it justifies it, then you move over to really good quality version, I guess you could say. So that is essentially what Nakama is all about, providing all the, the stuff you think you need. The source code itself is under the Apache 2. There's a number of different clients, so we're going to head back on over here. So if you go out of the Nakama folder and just up to the Heroic Labs Git, you are going to see there are interfaces for Unity, Defold, Unreal, JavaScript, Godot, and so on. There's 22 of these things, so they kind of just keep going and going. So there are a number of bindings out there, and you're going to notice from some of these Cocos 2DX, Java, JavaScript, you can pretty much use this guy with every language that's out there, but it's pretty turnkey with the most of the game engines you think of. Defold, Godot, Unreal, Unity, and Cocos 2DX all support it out of the box. And again, they are now sponsoring both the Godot game engine and the Defold game engine. For that reason alone, I am going to do a video about them. Well, I did do a video about them, and it's kind of, this was it, actually. And I know one of the things that's going to happen here. Someone is going to ask me if I would like to do a tutorial. And no, no, I really don't want to. And it's nothing against Nakama. I just can't stand doing networking tutorials. It's a very hard thing to show well. The client and server and all that stuff in your own IDEs all running on the screen. On the bright side, I don't have to. GD Quest, we did a collaboration with them some time back. They're a prolific Godot and open source blogger, or vblogger, or YouTuber, that's the word I'm looking for, but he's also on Library as well. Well, he already did this for me. So instead of linking to my own work and ever actually going ahead and doing that work, if you want to get up and running using Nakama with the Godot game engine, there is a video here already. But if you want to learn about Defold, there is no tutorial out there in video form I can think of yet. But if you go to the Nakama Defold client, there are examples to get you up and going, or I guess you could say example to get you up and going. So there are ways to learn if that's what you want to do. So it shows you how simple it is to actually use Nakama to do a login here and storage some information on the back end, I believe is what they do in this example. So that is it. So Nakama, an open source networking solution. It's kind of like what, say, Epic Games, that their new Epic Games Online stuff are offering. So you might be wondering, okay, well, why would I run my own, or why would I, pay people monthly to deal with this when I can just use the freebie one? Well, do keep in mind, here, you own it. Here, if they go under, being Nakama or Heroic Labs, you can still run your local version. That's one of those things that the non-open source proprietary systems in the past sucked. When they shut down, your game was screwed. In this particular case, if something, heaven forbid, happened to Heroic Labs, you can run the open source version, scale it out yourself, and just deal with things. So that there's a security to using an open source product here. And of course, you probably like the idea that they are supporting the game engines you love, and that they are open source themselves. So those are the reasons why I can definitely think that you might want to support something like Nakama. So anyways, let me know what you thought of that, what you're using here. Are you doing networking? Would you host your own servers? Would you use something cloud like this? Or would you probably go ahead and use something like the Epic Games free online services? Let me know. Comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.